Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a super easy taco soup recipe. I think this is the easiest soup recipe I've ever made, and it really tastes amazing. Everybody who tries it said, wow, this is really good. And if you can see, it's all ingredients you could have in your pantry. You don't need to chop anything up. The ingredients in this recipe are vegetable or chicken broth, refried beans, black beans, kidney beans, corn, diced or crushed tomatoes, and taco seasoning. The first thing that you need to do is add your vegetable or chicken broth to a large pot, and this is 32 ounces. You could also make your broth homemade or from a dry chicken or vegetable seasoning with water. Now we're going to add a 16-ounce can of refried beans. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. Now I'm going to whisk or stir together these ingredients until the broth is creamy with no lumps. So you can just use a spoon, or I have a heat-proof whisk. This works really well. Okay, the broth is nice and creamy. I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, a 15-ounce can of black beans, and include the liquid. A 15-ounce can of kidney beans, include the liquid also. Next, a 15.25-ounce can of corn, and this you do drain the liquid with. Now a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes or crushed tomatoes, also include the liquid for this. Stir everything together. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You could use store-bought, but I have a really good homemade taco seasoning recipe if you want to check that out. 2 tablespoons. We're going to stir this in. You can adjust the taco seasoning to your taste. We're going to cook the soup over medium heat until it's cooked all the way through. Okay, our taco soup is very hot. I'm going to turn off the heat and then try it. It smells amazing. See how easy that was? Every single person who tried this says, wow, this is really good. It's nice and creamy. You can top it with, you can have it like this, or you could top it with avocado, crushed tortilla chips, sour cream, avocados, well I already said that, guacamole, anyways, whatever you like. I actually like it plain. I'm going to let it cool a minute and try it. Okay, this looks so good, I'm going to try it. The flavor is just amazing. I think you're going to love it. Everybody who can try it is going to love it. So try it this week, and I'll see you in the next lesson. I'm going to try putting some tortilla chips.